Nobody is going to save you. You have the sole keys to your success right now in wholesaling real estate. So many people have these main issues of why they can't become successful in wholesaling real estate. And what we want to do today is just share with you exactly why you are the only person that can save yourself, exactly how to take your life in control financially with wholesaling real estate, and how you can live the life of your dreams, your family's dreams, and to create generational wealth so you can be as successful as possible. Guys, this is Zach Ginn, Rick Ginn here, and we are going to give you the stuff, not that you want to hear, but what you need to hear. So if you're somebody that is making excuses or saying, I can't get in this business, or there's this big problem in wholesaling that's stopping me or anything, you got to quit it. And what we're going to do is show you exactly how to quit these excuses, the most common ones you get, and how you can start taking action for wholesaling success. So before we break it down, do us a favor, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe, and let's get into it. So first, I want to let you guys know, in wholesaling real estate, either you got your first deal or you didn't. That's pretty much it. And in real estate wholesaling, on top of that too, there are what we call winners and losers. I hate to say it. A lot of people are gonna get in trouble. No, it's not the hip thing to say, but in wholesaling, there are winners and there are losers, right? Either you are a winner in training or you're just a loser in wholesaling. And in my personal opinion, I truly believe a loser in wholesaling is somebody that quit or has given up. If you did not quit or if you've not given up, you're not a loser. But we got to stop the excuses and the quitting. So the only thing that's gonna stop you from actually becoming successful in wholesaling is by you quitting. If you don't quit and you keep going and you stop giving up and you keep at it every single day and go towards that dream of getting your first deal and heck, making hundreds of thousands of dollars every single year and month, you'll be well on your way to success. Don't make excuses. That's going to stop you from becoming successful.
Excuses are roadblocks towards you taking action. Guys, the reality is either you're taking the action or you're making an excuse. And the sooner you have clarity in that, the sooner you can get on to actually being a successful wholesaler. You see, you create these roadblocks inside your head, and they're all inside your head. And I want you to understand you're having a conversation with your own self, and you're getting advice from your own self, and you admittedly chose wholesaling to make a major change in your life. So why are you creating these false barriers in your head? It's saturated. It's just tough. I don't like talking to people. Those are your excuses, your roadblocks in your head. And until you clear your head of that BS stuff, you are not going to be on your way to wholesaling. The truth of the matter is you're making this stuff up. It's all self-made up. So you have the ability to actually eliminate them and then approach wholesaling with an open mind, because you can achieve whatever you put your mind to it. I'm not telling you it's going to be easy, but with roadblocks, it's literally impossible. Clear your mind, take the action, get rid of your excuses. This is the secret to truly unlocking your true potential in wholesaling.
On top of that too, guys, I don't know one really good wholesaler in real estate that makes a ton of excuses. It's really hard to get rich in real estate and wholesaling while making a ton of excuses. There's one thing, it's oil and water. It does not go together at all, and you can't actually exist in the same space. You can't be hateful and spiteful and mean and also be very positive and nice. It just doesn't work together. Either you're going to be this thing or that thing. So you can't have massive action and massive results, money and deals with excuses. So if you want to get the massive money in the deals, you're gonna have to do the massive action. And to get those things, which is everything what everybody wants, actions equal results. If you want to get those results and take action, there can't be any excuses. Guys, you can't live or breathe right now without oxygen in your lungs. Well, if you have excuses, that's going to eliminate all the oxygen and you going out here and breathing. So you have to go out here and take the action and make the money by eliminating your excuses. You got to quit being lazy and you just got to do the work. So there's really common excuses I see all the time in the wholesaling real estate business, especially as beginners. And what we want to do is address them and get you to stop thinking these things.
So the first excuse is time. I don't have enough time. I'm just too busy. Listen, if you're going to start off with a lie, you better come up with something a heck of a lot better than that. That is an excuse, and it is a roadblock that is going to stop you from wholesaling. The truth of the matter is you, me, and him all have the exact same amount of time, 24 hours in a day. And honestly, it's somewhat made up to a point because it's human determined. So if I have 24 hours, you have 24 hours, we are all on the same playing field. The difference is I've prioritized my time differently. And if you're not dedicating the right amount of time to wholesaling, then you don't have your priorities right. And I got a question, if you're truly wanting to do wholesaling. You see, you go to work and you work 8 hours ago. I put in 8 hours. The reality is you maybe put in an hour, maybe an hour and a half. In wholesaling, you don't get credit for punching a time clock. You get credit for the amount of action and results you get. Nobody cares how long you're on the shot clock for. before, you've got to understand time is nothing more than an excuse. You have to eliminate it. There's no more time for you than there is for me.
The next very common one I get is, oh, Zach, I just want the money to get into wholesaling, right? Guys, wholesaling is free. You can get in this business with no money at all. You guys already know that. If you want to get started in wholesaling real estate, just go to freewholesaling.com. That's my free real estate wholesaling course where you go out here, you sign up, and you learn wholesaling for free from that wholesaling course. There's over 100,000 active students that learned wholesaling real estate absolutely for free in that course. On top of that, you got to remember, you can go out here and market without any money. You got government lists. You can do the code violations, the probates. You can do reverse triangulating for dollars. You can cold call for free. There's free skip tracing. Heck, you can even text from your phone for free. There's no excuse out here of why you can't go out here and take action. The next one's a big one too. Kind of like what I said before at freewholesaling.com, it's knowledge. Everybody says, I can't get into wholesaling because I don't have enough knowledge. I don't know what to do. And that's the reason why I can't get started. And the truth is at freewholesaling.com, we teach you how to wholesale real estate for free. Heck, you're watching this video. You're on the right channel where all the right knowledge for wholesaling is going to be at. So knowledge is actually not your real excuse. It's you not taking the action and doing the work.
The economy is really, really bad. There's no way I can make it work in this economy. Listen, guys, I've been doing this for 20 plus years, and I'm telling you, wholesaling does not care what the economy is doing because number one, you're not speculating. You're not doing a buy and hold strategy. You are buying on today's discounted value and you're matching it up with a cash buyer who wants to buy your contract for a premium. That's it. So I'm here to tell you, I made my most money in wholesaling in the absolute worst real estate economy we've ever gone through from basically 2009 to 2011. So who cares what the economy does? The reality is you've just created an excuse. You've created another mental barrier. And if you are waiting for perfect conditions in wholesaling, you aren't wholesaling. Wholesaling does not care where the economy is. It works in a great economy, it works in a bad economy, and it works in a level economy. So if I've been doing it 20 years, I've already disproved this. If you're using the economy as an excuse, you're making the biggest excuse that doesn't exist. Get rid of your excuses, take the action to be successful in wholesaling.
And probably the last one is just, Zach, I'm working really hard and I deserve to get a deal, right? Guys, if you are working hard in wholesaling real estate, I want you to understand that, yes, hard work is great. We love working hard. I love working hard in this business, but don't think that just because you worked hard, you deserve to have wholesaling real estate success. It does not work like that. The honest truth is, if you want to get really successful in wholesaling real estate, it's not about how hard you're working. It's about how smart you're working too with the amount of effort, guys. It's a multiplier. It's your hard work multiplied by how smart you're doing or how motivated the list is. So you just got to be going after lists that are super motivated and actually really work. Heck, go to freewholesaling.com. We're going to learn exactly how to do it the right way. But last but not least, guys, you just got to pick your struggle. I don't think we talk about this enough. And honestly, you really got to reset your mindset on thinking things, but you got to just pick your struggle. Figure out, why are you struggling in your business right now? What is your excuse? What is making you struggle in wholesaling real estate? Once you figure out what that struggle is, you have to do an honest and objective look on that struggle. Is that struggle greater than the struggle I have to do if I don't get into wholesaling? That's the way you got to look at it. So figure out, what's your struggle.
Listen, the reality is you're going to struggle either way. So if you're broke, you know that struggle, and I've lived it. Some of you are living it watching this video, and it's tough. But the reality is, do you want to struggle being broke or do you want to struggle being rich? Rich people actually have struggles too. They just have more money and more options to fix it. And if I'm going to pick which is hard, I rather put in the time and the hard work in wholesaling so I can get on the rich side, so I have options for myself, my family, and more important, get financial freedom and get the freedom of my time to do what I'm put on this earth to do. And that's to spend time with my family and do what I truly enjoy in life.
Exactly. So just understand this. Only you can be the one that saves yourself. Only you can be the one that goes out here and takes the action that changes everything forever. Remember, you are the hero to your own story. Think of every superhero or cool character you know in a movie or TV show. How cool is a superhero if everything's super simple and easy and there's no villains and there's no struggle? Or that's the point of a cool story. Of course there's struggle. Of course there's adversity. It's how the hero overcomes that and actually succeeds at the end, which is the most awesome and epic thing. So of course you're the hero to your own story. And of course you're dealing with some issues and adversity. That's the point. Of course, that's how the plot's written. You just got to overcome it. Guys, how cool is a story like Rocky when the guy gets beaten down and he comes back up and he ends up winning on a rematch? He gets knocked down and he keeps training and keeps going and he wins, and it's really awesome at the end. That's the point of it. How cool is Rocky if the guy got knocked out and then just gave up and said, I just quit, and then the movie ends? Like, that'd be the stupidest hero ever. Like, nobody likes that. No one wants to watch that type of movie. No, literally act like there's a camera and your life is literally a movie movie right now? Are you going to be the quitter? How cool of a story is that? That's stupid. Go out here, overcome the adversity, become successful, and be the hero you know you deserve to be. Guys, it's all up to you. It's all up on your shoulders. And trust me, when it's game time, I know you can go out here and live the life of your dreams. So if you want to live the life of your dreams, make sure you go to freewholesaling.com, learn how to wholesale real estate for free. I'm here on every step of the journey to make you the best wholesaler possible. So this is Zach signing out.
Rick signing out.
Got any value? Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you soon.
See you guys.